URGN stock analysis and URGN stock prediction in this very brief short 1-minute video. I'm breaking down my exact play with Urogen Pharma stock. Specifically now, 43% increase on Friday is very sick and honestly good. But let's look at the broader picture. I mean, as the person, this is nothing new for me. I've done 41,000 videos done over the 5 years, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially now, you just feel like it's like inefficiency. You know, so it did reach the lows. That's Gucci. Now it's inside some supply zone, which we have here currently for me. That's just me, okay? It's not financial advice. And maybe only if I do see the price giving me some sort of like a double break or something here, then and only then I'm gonna look to take it down. Other than that, like randomly selling, it's not gonna be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated.